The PBG50 is an 80-liter pasteurizer, sterilizer, and cooker designed for vegetables. It processes 145 pcs, cycle in 212 ml jars, and can also cook foods like jams, sauces, and baby food at temperatures up to 100 degrees Celsius. Controlled by a touchscreen interface with Siemens PLC, it supports data logging and remote control via smartphone or PC. Equipped with double probes, a cooling system, and back pressure control, the PBG50 ensures precise and efficient processing. The machine offers automatic sterilization up to 135 degrees Celsius using water or saturated steam, with adjustable time and temperature settings. Explore the secrets of Leroy's new olive oil caramels, crafts using vintage 1950s machinery. Confectionaires from Haute-Provence reinvent the classic caramel, infusing it with olive oil recipes. Embracing tradition, Leroy innovates by replacing butter and cream with olive oil in caramels. Indulge in childhood nostalgia with 5 flavors: flower of salt, lemon, coffee, hazelnut, and calicin. Leroy's unique collection offers a taste of Provence, celebrating traditional confectionery with innovative twists. Frontmatec leads in pork solutions, offering complete value chain solutions for processing from 100 to 1,400 pigs per hour. Tailored equipment optimizes pork processing, including deboning, with high-quality and error-free solutions. Unclean and clean lines for pork processing incorporate automated machines, robotics, and energy efficiency. Frontmatec's pork processing solutions prioritize animal welfare, ergonomic design, and fully integrated automation. The sausage production line starts with a sausage stuffer, ensuring efficient filling for meat processing. Following stuffing, a sausage tying machine securely seals casings, preparing sausages for cooking. The cooking house processes sausages, ensuring proper cooking temperatures and optimal flavors. Post-cooking, a sausage cutting machine, and a packing machine streamline packaging for distribution. The Mira 300 VAS BS is a slicer with features like an anodized aluminum build and large cutting capacity. It boasts a ventilated motor, hardened blades, and a compact design for easy cleaning and maintenance. The slicer includes a built-in sharpener, precise thickness gauge and carriage release device for efficiency. After that, you can place these slices into the W8 top, a user-friendly and efficient vacuum sealing machine. Mia Foodtech provides cookers with capacities ranging from 10 kilograms to 120 kilograms for the preparation of nougat dough. Their machinery provides automatic mixing, cooking, and unloading options using gas, steam, or electric heating. Semi-automatic machines evenly roll or press nougat dough onto molds or tables. Diverse cutters produce bars, pieces, cakes, and sweets, ensuring high-quality, fast and safe cuts. Mia Foodtech integrates traditional and ultrasonic cutting systems into their production line machinery. Their automatic lines can handle capacities ranging from 100 kilograms per hour to 500 kilograms per hour. The multi-lane piston depositor offers precision, speed, and adaptability for cream, batter, and fillings. Designed for half-liquid materials, this air-operated machine features adjustable dosage volumes and versatile nozzles. The tuna manufacturing process begins with delivery from fishing vessels, ensuring prompt transfer to cold storage. The tuna undergoes size-based grouping, uniform thawing, and precise pre-cooking to maintain quality. Baked in steam pressure cooking chambers, excess oils are removed, and the tuna is ready for skin and bone removal. Hermosa's meticulous process results in premium quality canned tuna, meeting high standards for cleanliness, smell, and flavor. This manual device simplifies honeycomb cutting and board printing, aiding beekeepers during honey harvesting. Compatible with various honeycomb standards, it trims by 3 mm, maintaining a height of up to 160 mm. Cronin's MPC 100 cuts pineapple into uniform chunks at lightning speed up to 720 pieces per hour. Simple manual operation yields hygienic, bit-sized pineapple chunks for various culinary uses. The pepper chopping machine streamlines pepper preparation, ensuring uniformity for culinary use in diverse dishes.